We are having a Utah Valley staycation. Watch out, the pages have taken over Schaumburger. Newsflash, the Bean Museum does not have beans. Animals. Going rafting! We loved the river rafting. The weather was amazing. The guides were awesome. I almost fell out on that. I'm in heaven right now. This place is amazing.
We loved having the kids here at Funtopia. It's such a great place to help your kids overcome their fears.
The kids wore themselves out, and I wore myself out watching the kids wear themselves out. The stock parade in Lehigh is so cute. We love all the animals. This is officially the best horchata I've ever had. Look at these nachos. Yeehaw! Say yeehaw! Yeehaw! We are going to have to come back and explore Utah Valley again real soon.